Hello! Today we show how to export, import and reset the settings of WP Dark Mode. You can do this by going to Tools of WP Dark Mode. To demonstrate the usage, we are simply customizing the settings of WP Dark Mode by editing the options for switch settings, triggers, accessibility settings, image settings, animation settings, and so on. For this reason, we are speeding up the process. Save the settings and go to your site, and then refresh your site. You'll see that your site has been customized as per your liking. Now go to Tools and click on the Export button. Next, click on the Reset Settings button and confirm the reset. If you visit the settings of WP Dark Mode, you'll see that all of your customized settings will be set to the default settings. If you visit your site and refresh the page, you will see that all of your customized settings will be replaced by the default settings of the WP Dark Mode plugin. To import your customized settings, go to Tools again and click on the Import button to upload your exported data of your customized settings. You'll see that all of your settings will be replaced with your previously customized settings. If you visit your site and refresh the page, you will see that the site will replace all of the default settings with your customized settings of the WP Dark Mode plugin. And that's it. If you like this feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.